Alrighty, traders, George here, and time for a look at the week in review and the trades of the week. So what we'll do in this video is we'll take a peek at our day trade action from Tuesday through Thursday, and I'll show you what happened from these incredible balance beam trades for the NASDAQ and oil. I'll also bring back a clip from the setup video just a few days ago for the balance beam. For starters, let's take a quick peek here at Tuesday through Thursday morning. This is about 8 hours of trading here. Did just under $1,500 after commission at about a 49% win rate. Basically walked into a bunch of paper cuts here Tuesday morning, was in the red a little bit more than this, recovered a little bit towards the later part of the morning. Had a real good go on Wednesday here, and a lot of these gains coming from extended runs and add-ons to existing trends. And actually had a pretty good start yesterday, but ended up giving back a fair bit on some stop outs with some of the volatility. Despite some strong directional moves, there's a lot of volatility even when price isn't doing too much, and that's keeping the win percentage at about 50%. But sticking to the rules, the model, trading around the DSR levels, another profitable week. Only a little bit of red ink on this one particular day here, kind of a carbon copy of what happened last week. Running at about $187 an hour clip here for that action that we saw in the live room. So let me phase you into a video clip from just a couple days ago, and then we'll check out these balance beam trades. So the trade scenario is this. Key round number 4,300 at the dominant balance beam here. We're going to look to go short after we print 4,300 and then break into just below 42.90s to get short. And to the long side, we need to print 43.10 and pull back 11 points or more and then rally back to get long at 313 quarters there and those targets above. We'll look for one re-entry in each direction, trails as indicated here, and that's the setup going into the. And then here's oil. Oil has had a pretty good rally here off of its lows, and you'll note where these lows came in very close to that targeted low that I had in the 26s. This could be a key rotation for oil to permanently stay above this level here. This is what we're going to look at in the room later this week. But for where we are right now, breaking below 30.60 will look to get short. Breaking over 32s will get long at 32.15 with these targets here. One re-entry for each of those directions. Trails as indicated here. And where we are right now. Alright, so there you have the setup video for the position trades on the balance beam. For the NASDAQ, it only set up once, and now a nice short that moves swiftly to target 2 here. Picked up 112 points, 112 and a quarter points here, $2,245 per contract. So it never reset for a re-entry. It never went high enough to get long, and there you have that. That's the NASDAQ. And on to oil here. This had a little bit more of a challenge on both sides here. The initial short went in favor and out with just a 5-tick gain on that trade based on the trails. Second entry went cleanly to target 1. Then we came all the way up here and looked for a long, and that went up enough to hit target 1. It pulled back and reset over 32.15 to get long again. That would be the first re-entry here and the only re-entry, and that one went cleanly to target 2. So quite a nice run there. 4 winners, 2 of them over $1. It's $1,000 per dollar move here in oil. That picked up $2,920 on those 4 trades there. No losers. The way it looks on the good old balance beam spreadsheet is this. We have the NASDAQ trade, these 4 trades for oil. That's over $5,000 on these trades just right here. On top of the trades that we had in the live room, that's over $6,000 in 3 days based on 2 models, the DSR model and the balance beam model. 100% visually based trading, gang. More belief building for you. You were in the live room. You watched these videos before these trades happened in the balance beam. And here we are Friday, and the sun has come out. I'm going to get away from these screens here and have a great weekend. And I hope you do as well. Use the link at the bottom of the video. Hop in the live room next week. You can watch me day trade these key markets as well as some big picture analysis. That'll do it for now. We'll see you back in the live room.